This is an executive room. It is room 482.
That's correct.
Yeah, 482, so it's an executive room. So just going to quickly check you around this now. So as you come in on the door here, you got 2 hangers and a ironing board. In here is the iron and a hairdryer there, and another 3 hangers. That's for the dry cleaning as well. Then you have a large mirror there. On the right you've got 2 coat hooks, a little stool, a little area there, and 2 drawers. In the little bathroom area then you have the toilet, massive mirror there, and a little shaving mirror here. You have 2 little glasses, so 2 flannels there, some towels down below, bin, some Dove hand wash and body lotion, massive shower. She's got a rainfall and a handheld one there as well. Jem is doing things with the luggage already. Then you've got a nice big sofa there, huge bed. You've got 1 soft and 1 hard pillow, or 1 firm pillow per side. Another little drawer here, telephone, socket here, so it's a UK plug with a USB, and it's going to be the same over that side there. Yes. Then you've got a little writing desk here with a chair. There's 2 sockets there with 1 USB as well. You've got, like, I think it's an Ethernet port there. Nice little lamp. Oh, you got that for your room service. You can order food to come to your room. Don't know what those are there for. And then the TV, hello. And then the teas and coffees area. So you have 2 mugs there, 2 glasses, wine glasses. Oh, those are good. We can use them. Then a coffee machine with a kettle and all little bits and bobs. No biscuits, Jen. So, which makes me think that in here, which is the chiller, they do have some things in here. They've got a Kit Kat, bottle of water, bottle of sparkling water, and then you've got Pepsi Max, Diet Pepsi, and some lemonade, which we're going to check if they are complimentary. I'll put it on the screen if they are or aren't. So we're going to chuck cans of Pepsi Max, of Cherry Coke in here, and also our bottle of wine as well. Then on this side then we have the safe. We're not going to bother using that because we're only here for 1 night, and then another storage space but that is this room, an executive room, and the view, which I shall chuck some footage in of the runway view, and because I caught a plane. Oh, there's another plane going across then.